today. My mystery object weighs 650 grams or 1.455 pounds, and is completely made of metal. It has a total length of 22 centimeters or 8.66 inches, and a total width of 10 centimeters or 3.94 inches. It has two handles, one to hold the object, the second that can be turned just like when using a bench vise. On the other end of the turning handle is a conical-shaped metal part that gets pulled in as the handle is turned. Do you know what it is? If so, leave it in the comment. If you have no idea, let me give you a few more clues. The mystery object shows the brand name Dako, which I believe is related to German manufacturer Gedore. It is a tool that the Mario brothers have possibly used before transitioning to the video game business. Its sweet little name is Venti Grip.
EBGM.
Do you now know what it is? If you know or want to guess, you now have 2 minutes to enter your answer in the comments. Still no clue? No worries, the solution comes at the end of the countdown. When you install a sink drain, you first put the top part in the sink and then screw the bottom part from underneath. When it comes to removing a sink drain, you just do the opposite, except that now there is nothing to hold the top part in place, and there is a possibility that the whole assembly starts spinning around as you try to untie the coupled parts. To tackle this scenario, ladies and gentlemen, please meet the montage Wixzugos C35 Geschimt, zum Festhalten der Ventilsbemensen und Lucen der Überwurfmutter, Einsatzbaren Waschkissen, Badwannen, Spulkassen use, mit geradem Griff, Griffblorlack Irritor in English, assembly tool forged from C35, to hold the valve when tightening and loosening the coupling nut, can be used on wash basins, bathtubs, cisterns, etc., with straight handle painted blue. To use the tool, place the jaws in the top part of the sink drain and turn the handle to widen the gripping sides. When the top part of sink drain is firmly gripped, You can now work at loosening the bottom nut as the top part can no longer spin. So, did you guess what this tool was used for? If so, congratulations. If not, maybe you've learnt something. In any cases, this tool is way too specialized for me to keep in my toolbox. Specialized tool. Bye bye.